Alright, we are in the city of LaFollette in Tennessee. And this is one of the interesting places if you like doing sports. Here's an indoor multi-sport complex. Over here they do have some pickleball courts. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. So you're new to the area?
Yeah, we're looking at a home over in nearby here.
Sure.
And then, so I work at Oak Ridge, White Oak.
Absolutely.
So I was like, this is nice. Everyone's super nice so far.
Yeah. Well, my name's Chris Smith. I'm the recreation director.
Larry.
Very nice to meet you, Larry.
My wife, Sarah Bree.
Nice to meet you. If you guys got any questions, the office number is 423-562-942.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
We'll help you out any way we can.
Thank you so much. See you at the pickleball court one day. Thank you. Oh, they got butterfly. So they open at 3:30. Hello. Hello, beautiful.
Not too close.
Not too gross. Cute little town. Alright, we are at Walmart in the international food aisle in Lafayette.
You guys, you can make spring roll here because they have the rice wrapper.
Yes, they do. We just wanted to make sure this town, small town, has some Asian type of food here. Because I have not seen too many Asians here in this small town. And we love making spring rolls, so... Yeah, they got the basic Walmart stuff here. Yeah, they got sushi to make hand rolls. But yeah, they got a little Asian aisle here.
Oh, they have coconut milk for me to make the Thai curry. I love it.
Right.
The red Thai curry.
And they got the Japanese sauces too. Alright. Go.
Hi everyone, at Jerry Car Wash. They have the special feature where they provide you with towels and a spray. Over there, the blue towel. The price is like back home with
In Washington?
with Washington. So
With Wash Kings?
Their minimum plan is $20 a month. You get unlimited, clean and power dry.
Yeah.
And if you want more, like better features, it's $30, $35, and $40. But I think we're just gonna go with looks like a nice car wash place. So yeah, I like Jacksboro. I like LaFollette.
LaFollette.
Because it
LaFollette.
has like small town, peaceful, like rural country vibes.
Right.
But also it has amenities like car wash and stores. Like we went to the Walmart and we saw there's rice wrapper for.
You can see all the mountains everywhere here. They got everything you probably need except a whole bunch of the city people, which is a nice break.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, honey. Where are we? Rickard Ridge Barbecue. And here they do live music apparently. Probably on the Friday nights. And we got a nice view. State Cove Park. We're walking around State Cove Park, where they got tennis courts over there and lots of families. What you doing? Flossing?
Daydreaming.